Okay, we have a question of limits of accuracy here, and like I said, we're just making a quick walkthrough, and we just need to make a quick review. Remember, upper bound for addition, okay, for addition, upper bound is just upper bound plus the upper bound, okay. This goes the same with multiplication, okay. However, with subtraction and division, we know that for the upper bound, we have to use the upper bound of the biggest, and of course subtract the lower bound of the smallest, okay. And for the lower bound is the lower bound of the smallest and the upper bound of the biggest. And guys, you really should revise these things, concepts you should have in your mind by now. And we're just going to quickly look at the textbook question where it says a square has sides of lengths of d meters, okay. We have these d meters, okay. This length is 130 meter, okay. Correct the nearest 10 meters, okay. Complete this statement. The range of the d meter is corresponding to the limits of accuracy, okay. You should be able to do this quickly. You have 130, you find the lower bound and you find the upper bound, okay. Upper bound is so we take 10, we divide by 2, we get 5. That means 130 plus 5 is 135. The lower bound is 130 minus 5 is 125. Okay, you should be able to quickly fill it there up. And these are the questions that you expect. But what I want to highlight also is that always know that when you are not given this thing at the silver platter like this, always know that it's smaller than or equal, but here it's always just here, not equal to, okay. It's a very strong deviation that you should know there. And let's move on. Calculate the difference between the largest and the smallest possible area of the square. And here's where the people might go wrong. He will just start now minusing things here, but you should understand that these are the length that you're given, and so we are going to find the area of the square, okay. Remember the largest and the smallest area of the square, okay. What do? We know that the greatest possible, the greatest is actually 135 squared, okay, which is the formula for the for a square, okay. Then we have 18225, okay. Then the smallest is definitely 125 squared, which will give us 15625. You minus these things up, you get your 2600. There you have your answer.